Good morning. I'm Bill Floyd, a 35-year veteran of the IT industry, culminating my corporate career a few years ago as CIO of the Discover Card, having a planning role in that organization prior to launch, employee number 3 of the Discover Card. Back in the 80s and the 90s, we had the task of bringing that new credit card up very quickly. We did it through software of our own running on Sears mainframes at First Data Resources and other providers. Never did anybody at Discover Card have control of the hardware platform. Our mission-critical applications were with others from the very start. We never experienced any failures or security or reliability issues. We made it a point to put single sign-on and progressive layers of screen integration from the very start. We were identified by Price Waterhouse as one of the best customer service systems in the industry, something that we're still proud of today. It was a great 3 days in San Antonio, and I put together, after listening to all the presentations, just a thing I'm calling an ode to the Rackspace 2010 Summit. Well, it was a great 3 days in early October 2010 in sunny and beautiful San Antonio at the twin Rackspace events. Without doubt, you are the big dog in the cloud computing space. I was so thrilled to see both digital natives and digital immigrants on the same page. And really, why not? History is repeating. The IT wave that all we immigrants started with and mastered is the one we're all trying to surf and stay on the board today. Based on your conference, I feel skilled up and ready for that wild ride on the ballistic hypercurve, and thanks to you rock and rackers, I know that we will experience that dreaded trough of disillusionment. It's clear that Rackspace stands at the ready to deliver optimal solutions to ecosystem partners as we tap the pipeline of opportunities coming, as we see that uptick in business on the way to fully 40% of all U.S. companies in the cloud by 2012, perhaps only 18 months away. Clearly, Rackspace and its partners love the VAR, so you are our premier partners as we provide business intelligence, our sweet spot, while giving us one throat to choke. So thank you very much, Graham and Lanham, Andy, John, Mark, Paul, Clee, Robert, Steve, the Scobalizer, and all rackers. Everything was spot on, and you can be assured that you have each of us drinking the champagne. Now back here in my Evanston office, I want you to know that I will remember that Goldilocks principle as I sift the niches for riches, as we package up for success and profit. We are now at that inflection point where it is likely that we will all thrive on the long tail, as the long pole in that big tent as we ride the salad train together. I leave sturdy in my belief that Rackspace will not leave us Googled in the vast Amazon. So thank you, Rackspace, and your generous sponsors and partners for 3 fanatical days in San Antonio, with great information content, with great food and drink and entertainment, the steaks and the more steaks, and a day capped by both Robert Scoble and Daniel Pink. What could be better? Well done, and thank you again.